Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. As all of you know that the COVID cases are increasing day by day, so I request all of you to take care of yourself and your near and dear ones, and if not so important then don't come out from home. Today's video is going to be very exciting because today I am going to show the best project that I have received from my students. But before that, if you like my videos then please like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe my channel. All my students have did their project very well, so I appreciate all of their hard work. So in today's videos, those projects I did not show, don't feel sad. You work hard so that next time your project should be best and I can show your project in the coming videos. Okay, so let's start with the first project, where I have asked you to draw the stages of water cycle. You should draw the water cycle in your science copy, or you can do in A4 size paper or also in chart paper. You should draw it nicely and properly, and if your project is best, then in coming videos I will definitely show your project. And here what I have received. This science project has done by Debangsh and he has drawn the things very nicely. So good, Debangsh. This project has done by Farah and she has used only pencil and red color, which has make it very attractive. So very good, Farah. Okay, now this one, Nilotpal's science project. And he has drawn a natural view to make us understand the stages of water cycle. It's really a good one. Keep it up, Nilotpal. Here is one more good work and it has done by Nishan and he has drawn it very beautifully, and I must say well done, Nishan. This is Avijit's project. Cute and neat and clean. Good, Avijit. Wow, I enjoyed a lot and I hope you are too enjoying. So let's go to the next one, where I have asked you to write down about the point, line segment. So let's see. We have discussed about point, line and line segment, and I hope all the things are very much clear in your mind. And in project you should write down the 5 question answers and the drawings that I already mentioned, and these are what I have received. This is Ankita's maths project. It looks so pretty. She nicely wrote about point, line and line segment. Well done, Ankita. This maths project has done by Sunny. The color combination just too good. The presentation and content are also very good. So well done, Sunny. Okay, here this maths project belongs to Ajizul. It's very neat and clean and looks very beautiful. Very good, Ajizul. This is Badal's maths project. Well attempt. Badal, you did it nicely. Very good. Next is done by Neha. She also did it nicely and wrote all the essential points. Keep it up, Neha. Wow, it's really very great, is not it? And I think that now you are very much excited and curious to know whose project will be the next. So without wasting time, let's move to the next one. Okay, so here I have asked you to draw the plane shapes and write about the shapes. So in the project you have to draw all the plane figures and then you have to write down about them, that I make you understand today. And these are what I have received. This creative project has done by Jia. She used toothpick and glitters to make the shapes. Very good, Jia. Keep it up. The next one is Shikhamuni's project. She has also done it nicely and has written all the important points. Very good, Shikhamuni. This one is Jannat's project. It's very simple but look very nice, neat and clean and also very decent. Well done, Jannat. This maths project has done by Ninmoy. Very attractive. He has made these shapes with the chart paper and the borderline has made it eye-catcher. Very good, Ninmoy. Here is Manas project. Nice attempt, Manas. You did it nicely. Very good. Keep it up. Wow, it's really amazing and I enjoyed a lot. And I hope that you also enjoyed. So whatever you are feeling, you can share with me by giving comments in the comment box. And thank you for watching my video. And if you like my videos, then please like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe my channel.